Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use a VPN on any iPhone. And this is quite simple. First of all, we go to the App Store and right here we search for VPN. Then we search for VPN and after that we click here on Super Unlimited Proxy VPN. Alright, the download is completed and now we click here on VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Now do accept and continue, allow. And right now we don't want this, so proceed with ads. Then do consent and then do continue, then do ask app not to track. And right now here we are. You see a lot of things, but the most important thing that you need to know is right now if you click on fastest location, you see a lot of locations with the fastest ping in the country or time delay. Now, right now I'm here in the Netherlands and I want a VPN in the US, let's say New York. So please click on that and then select a random New York. Now let's say the most uppermost one. Then I do allow. And then from here fill in your code. Now then here is an ad, so do skip ad. And right now he just connected with the VPN. So if you want to disconnect, please click on this, disconnect. And if I want to use the VPN, then you need to click on the button right here. And then he will start the VPN from New York City. Now, if I go back and go to settings, go back, you can see that we are using just right here a VPN. So make sure every single time that you launch your VPN just right here, so right now it's connected, that you also turn it on just right here. So this is how you can work or how you can use a VPN. If you have any questions, please comment them below in the comments so I can help you out with literally everything. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.